Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In my previous video, you have seen how to use date picker. How can you take the date value? So in this video, we're gonna learn about the time picker. So if I click on the time picker and select the time, and I'm selecting AM, you can see the time 11:12 AM. So let's implement our code. So here we have taken a stateful widget which name I have given date time screen, and we did nothing. We just have taken a elevated button and nothing. So now we are gonna implement our logic. So to implement our logic, we have to initialize a string data type which name I'm giving time pick, and we have to implement the method. So name it get time, and the method will be asynchronous, and we have to inside the method time of day, and I'm giving this t time, and write await and show time picker, and inside the show time picker you are seeing that there has a context, so that you have to write here build context, and in the initial time you have to write time of day, not this one, time of day, this one dot now. After that semicolon, and uh, now the problem has solved. Now what we have to do? So we have to transfer t time value into the time peak. For that we need to set a state here. So inside the set state we will simply tell that t time, and it's giving us a error because t time is data type is string type, but it's not, so we have to convert it to the string. And here you can see elevated button. Inside the on pressed we will simply call the get time method, and our select time is complete, and we have to uh, display our time whatever we are selecting. So to do this thing we have to check the time peak equals to null. If time peak equals to null, then we will simply print a text that choose your time, and here if it is not null, then we will print our selected time. So time peak that to string, and after that we will reload it, and after reloading it you can see that we have no value because we did not select at a time. So this value time peak is null, so that it's showing us choose your time whenever we are uh, clicking on the peak time. So here we can select the time. So here you can see they have selected the time, but it's are not formatted. So to format our time we have some mechanism, so we'll do that thing. So comes to the method, and here write date time, and I'll give this name now, and date time dot now, and here again write date time, then name it a time equals to date time, and here we have to click now dot year, now dot month, now dot date day, now dot day, and here we have to do time t time, not this, t time dot hour, t time dot minute. Here you can see we are getting error. To solve this error, we have to use the null check. Now in the set state, we have to use the date from. So we have to delete this thing. Write t time equals to date. Simply write it date format. Here we will give the format. We wanna firstly print the hour, and here it will print the minute, and it will print the am or pm, and dot format, and here we will tell a time and semicolon. We have mistake one thing, that it will be the time peak, but we have taken t time. It will time peak. So our problem has solved. So if I click run, reload it, so I'm selecting the time like 11:30 and giving it am. So if I click on the OK, here we can see our formation has successfully done. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you liked my video, so please like and subscribe.